Well, we got Sean locked in the bathroom here. Strapped it down, he just took a dirty shit and he can't get out. And he needs a plunger.
That's probably the best fucking prank ever. You're gonna break something, dude. Stay calm. We're calling the fire department.
Fuck you. Let's take the
That's fucking funny, man. That's really fucking funny.
You should let him out. Should let him sit for a bit. You enjoying your own fucking stench? Oh, I think you passed out from it. Oh yeah, look at that chick, Sean. Oh wait, you can't.
I bet, dude. Fuck, man.
Oh, you guys are assholes.
Sean's a spanking. You can see a spank calendar in the background.